For an HVAC service call, a technician needs a compact, reliable starter kit that covers measurement, fastening, safety, and diagnostics. A quality set of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning gauges with manifold hoses lets you read system pressures and perform leak checks accurately, so always carry one with a low side and high side connection and a compound gauge for vacuum work. A cordless drill with a variety of bits including 1/4 inch, 5/16ths, and 3/8 speeds up panel and control access, and bring a compact driver set with magnetic tips to avoid dropped fasteners. A true root mean square multimeter is essential for measuring voltage, current, and resistance safely. When testing compressors, use a clamp meter or meter with a dedicated compressor current function and be cautious of locked rotor amps. Wire strippers sized for common thermostat and control wires, plus insulated Phillips and flathead screwdrivers prevent nicks and shorts while working on control boards, and a set of adjustable pliers and channel locks help with flare nuts and refrigerant line fittings. Bring temperature probes that can clip to ducts and probe ambient air temperatures, and use them to perform sensible superheat and subcooling checks while noting indoor and outdoor wet bulb temperatures if needed. For personal protection, include durable work gloves, safety glasses, and a compact flashlight or headlamp for dim equipment, bays, and attic spaces. The three most common mistakes are missing accurate pressure readings because of dirty or damaged gauge hoses, carrying worn or incorrect drill bits that strip heads, and relying on a basic meter that cannot accurately read motor startup currents. Replace hoses periodically and keep a small tube of refrigeration oil and leak detector spray to verify fittings if pressure readings seem off. Store bits in a labeled vault and inspect them before each call so you have the correct 1/4 inch, 5/16ths, and 3/8 sizes for common fasteners. Upgrade to a true RMS multimeter or add a clamp meter to your kit so motor and compressor diagnostics are reliable and you avoid misdiagnosing a control issue as a mechanical failure. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can handle these kinds of HVAC service needs and to help contractors find quoted work in their area. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and others share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real service experiences.